I'm Greg Lucas, California's state librarian, bringing you another episode of California's favorite culinary crapshoot, History in the Baking. This episode is kind of a special treat. Well, it's not kind of a special treat. It actually is a special treat because the recipe comes from a culinary classic. This is a cookbook created by the employees of the California State Library. We have a couple copies here, and it's also part of the collection of cookbooks that we have from all kinds of different state agencies. Now, the recipe that we've chosen today is still a surprise to me, but I'm told that it includes nutmeg, ground clove, cream cheese, sugar, of course, frosting, and a can of tomato soup. And so with that, I'm going to introduce Chef Jenna.
There we go.
With?
I added little raisins for you. You don't have to.
Added raisins because I love raisins so much. Chef Jenna, tell me what I'm about to bite into.
You are going to have tomato soup cake. Be prepared. Cream cheese frosting, but everything else is normal cake aside from the can of tomato soup.
I see. I don't know. I can't speak for all of you watching, but I'm 60 some years of age, and I can't remember ever seeing on a menu or begging as a child for mom to bring me some tomato soup cake. So that first for me. Without a raisin, I say thank you. God bless you.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can. Okay, well, this is a surprise to me. I expected it to be like all super red inside and stuff like that, like pasta. Now, there'd be a drum roll normally, but because of federal library cuts, we don't have the money to buy special effects. So, tomato soup cake. Well, here's the good news. I can't taste the tomato soup. It just tastes like delicious cake with frosting on top of it. So, try it yourselves. You can find it in our state agency cookbook collection. Just go to the state library website and, surprise your dinner guests by telling them they're having tomato soup, and they'll discover that, in fact, doesn't really taste like tomatoes. Till next time. Happy eating.